play the 7 chords.
Okay, bet.
Alright, you ready?
Dale.
Alright. So.
How was that? I think that was good, right?
Can you do something like you play you just make like the drum beats somewhat? Yeah, something like that. You ready? You ready?
Go ahead.
Okay. Let's record a vocal take
Oh yeah, for sure.
so you can help.
I can do all the way through if you want.
All the way through?
Yeah, if you want.
They just do it to where the beat stops. So I know.
Oh yeah, okay. I mean, I'd be nice to have the whole thing too if you wanted to.
I mean, I want to get like a serious take. I just want to like play it out so we can have this be an arrangement.
No, you tell me one then. Test 1 2 1 2 test.
Can you
Test 1 2.
Can you hear yourself?
Yeah. 1 2 test 1 2.
Okay, so
Check. You think this is a vocal mic like that I should get? Because all I have is that P132 whatever the fuck.
P120.
Yeah.
I mean, you can get this mic. I've been seeing some people sell this mic on Facebook. Everyone's saying like the better one.
A lot of people use this though.
Yeah, a lot of people use it. I mean, it's a nice mic to use for vocals, but hope it's not too loud in the ears.
Check 1 2. No, it's cool. I mean, it's extremely wet, but LOL.
Come on.
Come on, man.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright,
Everything reminds me of her, bro.
oh no.
I'm fucking with you.
You to let her go. Alright, ready?
Dale. Te la foto y la memoria pa' que tu contacto, tu mensaje y ahora esta cama tan fría sin ti. Baby, what happened? It was just you and me. Extrañando los besos tuyos, el hogar que hicimos. La cama sigue puesta pa' dos.